Alright guys, in this video we are going to check on amazing Google Anti-Gravity IDE. I've been using Visual Studio Code for a while now, but this one looks like exactly what you need for agentic AI coding. Let's dive deep into it. Okay, the first things that we got to do is install the Anti-Gravity from this download button. Once you click download, you have an option to either go with Mac OS or Windows or Linux. So I went with Apple Silicon chip. I've already downloaded it here and I already got it installed. So let me just open that. Okay. So the first things first, what I've been doing is developing an content flywheel system that will automatically schedule and post it. So let me just go give you a quick walkthrough on what it does. All right. So essentially, this is a website that I've already built, right? Some cool graphics, everything else is already baked into it. So what I want Anti-Gravity to do now is the website is part of this folder. This is completely written with Cloud code. So I asked Anti-Gravity to go ahead and take a peek at it and see what it can improve with my website. Okay. After doing a little bit of a planning, and I'm using Gemini 3 Pro in the planning mode, it said it needs to set up the anti-gravity. I clicked on that. Let me go with side by side. And as you can see, this is the first time that I'm installing this. So I'm going to install the extension. Let's add it to Chrome. Extension. So here we have to just give it allow always for now. And it's going to run on 3050. Amazing. Look at this, guys. My ants are free and it's navigating the entire website all by itself. With Cloud Code, we're using the Playwright MCP, but this is next level. This is baked into the anti-gravity IDE. It's skimming through one by one at a time, and taking the screenshots wherever is needed. You can look at the actions it is performing here. Wow. It's literally writing what needs to be done, right? It's just planning phase at this point in time. And I'm super excited to try it out. And it's using Gemini Pro. And then it's asking to look at another page. And I'm going to accept that. All right. So let's just make this bigger, make this smaller. And the website itself is written in Next.js and Tailwind, CSS, all the latest tech. So I tried to use the Playwright MCP in the past to test this, but as you can see, the anti-gravity did the same, right? So it created a Playwright config, and that is using 3050. And it's just that, the IDE is smart enough to know what it needs to do in order to execute the command. Okay, so it's asking me whether it can upgrade the pricing page and pricing plan page. And all of this, I did not give any context to it. I just opened up the folder. I asked it to go check what can be improved. Okay, I'm going to say sweat. I recommend we start by upgrading this to match the home page quality, upgrade hero and missing gradient, modernize refactor, review, whatever. Okay. It's saying match the home page quality. So this is a gradient it's talking about. Why not? I'm going to just say, yes, upgrade this. And let's see what it comes back with. I'll be right back after it's done. All right, it's already started to work on it. It's still in the planning mode. Usually with Cloud Code, when it is in planning mode, it wouldn't proceed further for execution. But in this case, okay, it's just creating the plan. Okay, it created the implementation plan. Okay, and then it's giving me some information on what to do here. All right. The implementation plan. Let me view the implementation plan. Okay, it's already opened the implementation plan on this window. Right, so what it's gonna do, update the section background, gradient, okay. Use animated button components. Okay, I'm gonna click OK. Let's see what this pricing page is gonna look after it is done implementing. Oh, I can already see the gradient started to appear. Okay. Amazing. And it's animating the buttons. Okay, looks like that's what the animation is about. The gradients came in, it looks good. And the gradient effect is happening all over. So agent is running, controls disabled. Like it. So let me see what this Next.js screenshot is all about. Okay, some hydration related issue. Let it get fixed. I will do. I can always tell that, hey, fix this too. I can and copy this. Essentially, you can copy this. It can already take a screenshot. I'm sure it would have taken the screenshot to work on it. So let me just proceed. Meanwhile, I'll just give the context of this. I'm going to just give this error that is happening here. So let that go and fix that. Meanwhile, let's see how our pricing page looks. It's using it. It has used the gradients effectively. The buttons have the animations as the ROI calculators. Amazing. Literally amazing, guys. This is next level editor. I'm already loving anti-gravity. So I would say if you're using Visual Studio Code, Windsurf, or Cursor, give a try to anti-gravity. You would be saving yourself a lot of time installing all those MCPs and just getting directly into the meat. Okay, that's not it. It has Claude Sonnet models integrated into it and GPT OSS. So you'd be able to use any of this. I still haven't tried to use my Claude Max plan. I'm going to do that and update you guys on how it goes. All right. Thank you. Take care. See you soon on the next video. Please hit subscribe if you want to learn more about the latest AI tech tool to build amazing SaaS applications.